Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I will teach you, or show you of how to block and unblock Wi-Fi users in Mercusys Wi-Fi router. You can do this on any device like on your phone, laptop, or desktop computer. For this video, I'm gonna use my laptop for a bigger screen. This is very easy and quick, friends. Just follow me. So now let's start. First, connect your device to your Mercusys Wi-Fi router. Once you're connected, open your favorite browser. Now, log in to your Mercusys router. Once you're here, go to Advanced Settings. Under the Advanced setting, select Security. Now, select Access Control. Control the access to your network from the specified devices. Just turn on this, or enable this access control. Select Block List in the access mode. Click the Add option. Now choose the device that you want to block on your Mercusys Wi-Fi router. To block the device, just select it. And then click the Add button. Here it is, guys. That's how to block Wi-Fi users on our Mercusys Wi-Fi router. Now, if you want to unblock this device, just click the delete icon button. Just like this. That's it. Of how to block and unblock Wi-Fi users in our Mercusys Wi-Fi router.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.